Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today is going to be a bit of a different video because I'm just going to talk to you guys instead of showing you footage of my car or urban exploring. So yeah, alright guys, so first of all, Miss Celica, what has been going on and why haven't I gotten a video this week about it? So I did do a lot of work on it this week. I took the fenders off, I took the bumper off, the skirts, I took some more stuff out of the engine bay. So that's been all done. Cut to the footage. As you can see, I did do a lot of work on it, but I just didn't get around to making an entire video out of it, so yeah. But yeah guys, so the car is almost ready to get painted. All I have to do now is sand it down, clean it up a bit, and yeah, she'll be ready. Also guys, let me know down below what colour you think I'm going to paint the car, because I already know, but I'm curious to see what you guys think. Next item, the engine. I'm going to pick it up in a few weeks. I planned on picking it up last month, but unfortunately it got delayed a bit. But in like 2 weeks or so, I'm going to pick it up, and then I'll reveal which engine it will be. Be ready for that. But yeah guys, there's still loads to do on the car. I still got to do the paint job, the new body kit. I'm going to put the engine in, of course, the interior, so loads of stuff coming your way. If you're curious on how that goes, make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and also just leave a like, because it really helps me out. It shows me that you guys appreciate the stuff I make. And yeah, that's basically it. I don't have anything else, so I guess I'll put some pictures of kittens in and try to make like a 4 or 5 minute video out of it. Bye!